Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring 2 tablespoons granulated sugar and set aside 1/8 teaspoon baking soda in a small bowl. Prepare tools: a small nonstick pan, metal ladle, wooden skewer, and a silicone mat or lightly greased baking sheet. Heat should be ready on low, gas flame or induction to control color. Keep a 3/5-inch metal cookie cutter and a grease spoon for pressing. Work quickly once sugar melts. Line a plate with parchment for finished pieces. Safety: have oven mitts and a damp towel nearby for handling hot utensils. Place measured sugar into the cool pan and set heat to low. Stir continuously with a wooden skewer as sugar melts. Watch for a clear syrup turning amber. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Do not scorch. When amber, remove from heat and quickly sprinkle in 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Stir vigorously for about 10 seconds until foamy and light golden. Immediately spoon roughly 1 tablespoon molten portions onto the silicone mat. Press a 3/5-inch cookie cutter gently into each blob to form a thin disc while still pliable. Allow the pressed candies to cool and set on the silicone mat for 30 to 60 seconds. They firm up quickly but remain slightly flexible if aerated properly. Aim for a final thickness of about 3 to 5 millimeters when you press with the cutter so the structure is crisp but not too fragile. If a piece crystallizes or overcooks, discard and start again. Do not add water. Store finished Toffee Dalgona in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days away from humidity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.